Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain about regions of root. Root shows four important regions such as root cap, region of meristematic activity, region of elongation and region of maturation. Root cap. The root is covered at the apex by a thimble or hat-like structure called root cap. It is formed from the meristem called calyptrogen. Root cap protects root apical meristem or apex of the root. Not only protection, root cap synthesize a mucilage-like substance which acts as lubricant and helps in the penetration of root into soil easily. Most of the plants contains single root cap, but the plant Pandanus contains multiple root caps. In the aquatic plants like Pistia, Lemna and Eichhornia, instead of root caps, they have root pockets for buoyancy. The root caps are absent in parasitic roots, in Rafflesia like plants, and in mycorrhizal roots like pinus plants. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of root cap. So here the red color part which protecting meristematic region is called root cap. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of pistia. In pistia, instead of root cap, they contains root pockets for buoyancy. The second one, region of meristematic activity. The proximal part or few millimeters above to the root cap is called region of meristematic activity. In this region, the cells are very small, contains thin walls and having dense protoplasm with meristematic activity, which means the cells of meristematic region performs cell division repeatedly. Due to this region is called the major growing part of root. Because of cell division, new cells comes from root meristem and shows root growth. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of region of meristematic activity. In the diagram, it appears in blue color, which is present few millimeters above to root cap. In this region, cells can divide repeatedly. Third one, region of elongation. The proximal part of root meristem is called region of elongation. The cells of this region undergo rapid elongation or enlargement. Generally, the elongated cells or enlarging cells contains large vacuoles. This region is responsible for the growth of root in length, which means linear growth. Now, see the diagrammatic representation of region of elongation. So, in the diagram, it appears in gold color, which is present above to region of meristematic activity. The fourth one, region of maturation. The proximal part to region of elongation is called region of maturation. In this zone, cells gradually differentiate and mature, which means all the cells in this region are matured cells. From this region, some of the epidermal cells form very fine and delicate thread-like structures called root hairs. Root hairs helps in absorption of water and minerals from soil. In nodular roots, root nodules also formed at root maturation region only. See the diagrammatic representation of region of maturation, which is present above to region of elongation. In the diagram, it appears in pink color. It contains root hairs, which helps in the absorption of water minerals from soil. Not only root hairs, in legume plants, root nodules also present in region of maturation only. Those helps in biological nitrogen fixation. Next topic, root modifications. Roots in some plants changes morphologically and permanently in their shape and structure to perform some other biological function other than normal functions called root modifications, which means we know root helps in absorption of water minerals and it gives anchorage to the plant, and they synthesize some phytohormones. But in some plants, roots were modified to perform some other biological functions other than these normal functions called root modifications. In next video, I will explain the types of root modifications. Thank you.